In this lesson, we are going to show you how to create the NC output for your machine using an NC program operation. Once you have an NC program operation, simply right-click on it and select Post Process from the pull-down. If your selection has multiple work offsets, you may get a warning. Your post and machine control need to support multiple work offsets to generate the correct output. Remember, a warning is not the same as an error. A warning is just letting you know what is going to happen. OK the warning message, and you should see a message indicating a successful program creation, the path to the file location, and a link to click to view the NC code in your editor. Click to open the file in the editor. You can see here, for the face top toolpath, we have our G54 fixture offset. Here for the face bottom, we have our G55 fixture offset. Further down, we have our tool change for the rough operation, and it changes back to the G54 offset. The program looks good, so there's nothing to do here. If you need to manually move the program to the machine, this is a good time to save it directly to a flash drive. Close the editor and save the project.